Hello friends, now I am going to discuss about true or false. True or false will be asked in the exam as from the unit. It contains 4 marks. As per 12th standard blueprint, section A has total mark 17 and 1 to 4 question will be asked true or false. In the exam, we must write down the sentences of true or false, and then we have to write down the answer. આપણી પરીક્ષામાં 1 થી 4 પ્રશ્ન જે પૂછાય છે એમાં ટ્રુ ફોલ્સ આપણે લખવાના છે, એના વાક્યો, અને પછી જ આપણે એનો જવાબ લખવાનો છે. Now we are going to discuss about true or false of unit 1. આપણે પહેલા યુનિટ 1ના કેટલાક ટ્રુ ફોલ્સ જોઈ લઈએ. પરીક્ષામાં એ જ આવશે એવું ન હોય, પણ એના જેવા પરીક્ષામાં પૂછાઈ શકે છે. બટ એટ ફર્સ્ટ વી આર ગોઈંગ ટુ ડિસ્કસ અબાઉટ ઇટ વન. ટ્રાય ટુ અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડ ઇટ. ધ કસ્ટમર ઇઝ ટેકનિકલ but she is not ready to install love in her heart. What do you think? This sentence is correct or wrong? It's wrong. Because the customer is not a technical person, but she is ready to install love in her heart. It means this sentence is false. Now second, the first step is to open programming file to install love. This sentence is also wrong, because the first step is to open the heart to install love. You can find out this sentence in a lesson. Same sentence you can find out it. The customer needs to begin connecting to other hearts in order to get upgrade. We can find out this answer in a unit, also in short note also. The customer need to begin connecting to other hearts in order to upgrade, or to upgrade, both are right. It means true. These 3 are the example of each one. You try to understand it, and you also do work at home. You also find out this type of sentences in other reference book. Okay, I am going to discuss about the similar words. The question asked up to 5 to 7. We are going to discuss about those words. Okay, disrupt. What is the meaning of disrupt? We can find out this word from the glossary of unit 1. Disrupt, it means interrupt. Okay, invoke, it means appeal. Okay, these are the example which we can find out here. So I try to explain those words to you. You can also read glossary. You must read glossary. You must write down in your Fullscape glossary the word and its meaning. Thank you.